Exam Rabbit Score Gallery. The Exam Rabbit Score Gallery serves as proof and testimony of the team's expertise, showcasing their success in solving over 7,000 exams in the past 5 years. This gallery highlights the skills and legitimacy of Exam Rabbit, demonstrating their proven ability to bypass all proctored software securely and consistently deliver A-grade results for your exams. Payment. Team Exam Rabbit never asks for upfront payment from students, as they are 200% confident in their expertise. Unlike scammers, they solve your exam first. Once the exam is completed to your satisfaction, you can make payment through secure methods such as credit cards, debit cards, or other multiple payment options. Bypass method. Team Exam Rabbit takes full responsibility for ensuring the security and privacy of students. They employ 200% safe and secure methods to bypass proctored software, using techniques that are completely undetectable. Unlike inexperienced individuals who rely on risky remote applications and risk detection, Exam Rabbit provides superior expertise in assisting students with their proctored exams using 100% undetectable methods. This is the supremacy of Exam Rabbit's commitment to excellence in bypassing all proctored softwares. Pricing. Exam Rabbit offers the most competitive and affordable pricing tailored for students. With a no upfront payment policy, budget-friendly rates, excellent results, and secure bypass methods, Exam Rabbit has proven itself as the #1 choice for students seeking assistance with their online exams. To get help from exam takers and bypass technicians of Team Exam Rabbit Help, simply contact them at examrabbithelp@gmail.com or check the description of this video to fill out their exam help request form. You will get assistance within 30 minutes of your contact. Can you open other applications? While Lockdown Browser is running, here's the truth, Lockdown. Browser is widely used by educational institutions to ensure exam integrity during online tests. One of the most common questions students ask is, can you open other applications while Lockdown Browser is running? Let's dive into how Lockdown Browser works and whether this is even possible. How Lockdown Browser works. Lockdown Browser is designed to create a secure testing environment by locking down your computer. Here's what it does. 1. Restricts application access. Lockdown Browser prevents you from opening other applications such as browsers, messaging apps, or file sharing tools while it is running. 2. Disables shortcut keys. It blocks common shortcuts like Alt plus Tab, Ctrl plus C, and other methods that allow users to switch tasks or copy information. 3. Monitors for suspicious activity. With proctoring tools or system monitoring, it ensures you remain focused on the exam window. Can you bypass these restrictions? Technically, attempting to open other applications while Lockdown Browser is running is almost impossible for the average user. However, let's break this down. 1. Built-in security measures. Lockdown Browser detects unauthorized activity and automatically flags it. If you attempt to access other applications, it will likely result in immediate action from your exam proctor. 2. Third-party tools or hacks. Some individuals try to use virtual machines, dual monitors, or external devices. However, these methods often fail due to advanced detection capabilities. Even if they work temporarily, the Lockdown Browser get updated. What happens if you try? System freeze. Lockdown Browser might freeze your system or force the exam to terminate if unauthorized apps are detected. Flagged by proctors. Many exams are proctored live or with AI, and any suspicious activity can be flagged for review. Academic consequences. Trying to bypass Lockdown Browser's restrictions can result in academic penalties, such as failing the exam. The bottom line. No, you cannot open other applications while Lockdown Browser is running. The software is specifically designed to prevent this, ensuring a secure and focused exam environment. Attempting to bypass these restrictions is risky. Just as you can't build a house or fly an airplane on your own, you can't successfully cheat on an exam alone either. An inexperienced individual attempting it solo is likely to encounter technical challenges and get caught. To avoid this, you need to hire a team of skilled exam experts and bypass technicians from Exam Rabbit Help. They specialize in this field and are available 24/7 to assist students with their exams. Pro tips for success with Lockdown Browser. Seek legitimate support. If you're struggling with your studies, hire a team of Exam Rabbit Help to take this exam for you, as they have a professional team of experienced exam bypass technicians and genius exam takers. Simply contact them at examrabbithelp@gmail.com and pass your exam with an excellent score. There is a zero risk of being caught while using assistance of Exam Rabbit Help, as they are solving multiple exams on daily basis for last 7 years